The scene opens in a pristine, sunlit library. Our main character, headphones in, suddenly feels the tickle of a sneeze brewing. Eyes widen in panic. They clamp their nose, cheeks puffed, trying desperately to hold it in. The sneeze turns into a weird, squeaky snort. Heads swivel, whispers ripple through the silent room. Embarrassed, the character grabs a tissue, just as the sneeze finally erupts in a thunderous explosion. Papers flutter, everyone glares. The librarian deadpans. Gesundheit.